Hey, what's up, guys? It's Friday, 5 p.m. your time. It's 12:21 my time. Out here with all these motorcycles, and we got Sean eating. Caught him in the middle of eating. We are finishing up the main course of the MSF Rider Coach class. We all passed. You passed, right? You passed. Yeah, everyone passed. Everyone passed the written test and practicals pretty much. And that's it. All right, see you later. I'm just kidding. Tomorrow we are going to be doing an actual BRC class. We're going to be teaching. We all have all these different segments that we're doing, but we're pretty much going to be MSF rider coaches. It's pretty cool. The updated version of the BRC. So I just want to say thank you though to my patrons for allowing me to do this. You guys are the ones that told me to go out and get more information. So now I have a lot more coaching strategies and coaching things that I can do. And thank you Trina and Steve from Riot Arizona MTC for sponsoring me to come up here and take this class. But yeah, if you guys noticed, we got some Harley Street 500s over there. They're pretty fun little bikes. They're governed, so they're not too fun. But we're at Desert Winds Harley doing the things, and I can't wait to get back home, honestly, and get on my own bike and start making videos again. There's gonna be a video on Monday. It's already coming out. It's a 6 beginner something, so it's a list video. I forgot what it was. And then we'll start doing it again. But hope you guys have a great day. It's a short video, I know. But I've been giving patrons a lot of updates on Patreon, and I just kind of been staying away from social media. I gotta focus on training and looking through all my stuff. But I can't wait to teach you guys everything I know. Obviously I can't teach you specifically MSF because that is copyrighted material, but I can at least use some coaching strategies and things that I learned in this class and adapt it to you guys. Alright, I'll be seeing you later.